Another video. What is this, I hear you say? Well, I've created you guys something that I hope will help because I'm getting more and more inquiries all the time, and I figured I'd just put it all on the website for you in a nice, easy to find format, because when I first started cosmetics as a hobby, it was so difficult to find what I needed to know, and you don't know what you don't know, so you don't know what questions to ask, etc. So here I introduce you to the Small Business Hub, specifically designed for small skincare and cosmetic businesses. And what you'll find here is what the Business Hub is. There's a little explanation here. And I've done a little flowchart for you because I thought this might be quite a nice way to sort of guide you through things. And it looks a lot more complicated than it is. And yes, you can zoom in and zoom out. Basically, you start with the black little bubble here and you just follow it. So you answer the question and you do yes or no. And when you come to sort of a natural stopping point, when it's something that you haven't done or something that you don't understand, look in the Business Hub to find a person to do that for you or find information on how to do it yourself, and then start again and you'll move a little bit further, and eventually it'll take you through the whole process to launching your cosmetic product with all the legal admin and everything that's included. So hopefully that's useful to you. Then we go here and you've got all of my ebooks, templates, calculators, the free resources, and the formulas section is going to increase as I stability test and make more stable formulas. Those will be available to purchase. Those are formulas that do not have a CPSR and will just be available for you to sort of use as a guide to tweak to, for inspiration for your own formulas. I will be offering CPSRs, but that is coming soon. I'm just waiting on an assessor at the moment to finalise some stuff, but that is coming, so fear not. Then we got courses and workshops, they're in here now. Services, so I link to people that I recommend if it's not a service I provide myself. So I've got RP services, I've got regulation admin services. This is something now that I do myself. So if we click in here, I may regret this, but I as I mentioned in a previous video, if you missed that, I now offer all the admin that you need. I will not be your RP. So if you need RP services, then go to that link instead, because generally if you have an RP acting on your behalf, they will do these things for you. But if you want to remain the RP and have your details on the products and everything, so it's all stays with you and you have full control, then I can do the admin for you. So there's all of these different things to choose from, including a website audit. If you want to get a bit more traffic and conversion, then I can go through your website and make suggestions for you. I can do your ingredients label list, working out the order and the allergens and things for you. I can do your portal notifications. I can write your PIF for you. And if you want everything, then there's a full compliance package there. Going back here, we've got other things. So we've got where to get stability and challenge testing done, where to get labels done, insurance, social media, business mentoring. We've got supplier links, equipment links, where to get shipping and packaging supplies, websites and software I recommend. So far, this is a work in progress. So I've got as much as I can recommend at the moment. And as and when I use other companies or they reach out to me and I'm happy that they would be useful to you and that they're reputable, then I will add them here. Some of the links in here, full disclosure, will be affiliate links because obviously I am directing traffic away from my website, so I have to make that worth my while, and it has taken quite a bit of work to set this up for you. So by clicking on an affiliate link, some of them will be, some of them won't be, but by clicking on a link, you may be helping me out. I get a little commission. It's at no cost to you. Everything on here is genuinely a business or a professional that I would recommend and have used myself. I never recommend anything that I haven't used, and I always make sure that everything is reputable. I'm not in this for the money. I just generally want to help all of you do this properly, because they are clamping down on cosmetic regulations now, and you do need to make sure that you're doing things properly. So hopefully this helps you to do that. And if you have any questions about it or any recommendations yourself for places that I can add to it, then please do let me know. You can use the contact form at the bottom here, somewhere there, to let me know, and I might add them in. But for now, you have a whole business hub of information. You have membership if you need membership. You've got Patreon. You've got all the stuff I've got on YouTube. I'm not sure I can give you guys any more now. So, yeah, I hope this helps. This was a short little public service announcement, and I'll see you in the next video.